So, yesterday we did that practical for nucleotide blast, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what we did on that one? What we did on
Sir,
that one? On that nucleotide blast, what we did? We took some.
Sir, we compare
We
compare
compare.
yes,
our sequence with, yes, sir.
Okay. So just you have name one thing now. Our sequence.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All of you can just use this particular word, our sequence or my sequence. Then only you'll understand. Like you have a sequence. Okay, nucleotide sequence or protein sequence. We will come to protein later on. Okay, you have a sequence that is a nucleotide sequence in your hand. Okay, and you want to see some similarity of the sequence. Why to see the similarity? You can tell some evolutionary relationship, or you can tell some function, or you can even make some model of your sequence by using computer. Okay, that is why you have to do blast. Okay, for example, whatever sequence you are having, or whatever sequence you have named as our sequence or my sequence. Okay, whatever sequence you are having, for example, that sequence is not known to you. Not known to you means only you know the your nitrogenous bases, or you just know the nucleotides. You don't know about anything about other thing. You do not know, like function you do not know, or you do not know the structure, or from which group it has come. You do not know anything, and you want to know it. Okay, what is the method? What method you will be using here? What method we will be using here? It is the method of blast. Okay, as the name of blast suggests, that basic local alignment search tool, which will search your local similarity or local alignment on sequences. Okay, we will be doing blast for this sequence. Okay, so what idea I have given you in the earlier classes, that we are having lots of databases or data banks. Okay, we are having your gene bank as a nucleotide database. We are having embl. We are having different types of your data banks for nucleotides as well as your protein. Okay, once you have a sequence, this particular nucleotide sequence, okay, and you want to see any similarity, you can compare your you can compare your sequence with the database. Okay, you can compare your sequence with the database. Then you can tell what you can tell, the similarity you can tell. How? Because in the database there are lots of sequences. Okay, in the database there are lots of nucleotide sequence whose structures or whose functions or any other informations are available. Okay, any other informations are available on the database. Okay, or data bank. So when you compare your sequence with the database, okay, your comparison they will see in terms of your nitrogenous bases or nucleotides. Okay, you have a sequence like nucleotide. Here you can see ATGC for DNA or AUGC for RNA. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay, am I audible to all of you? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So if you know the database, no? Okay, if you know the database, for example, in a room, no, there are lots of sequences. Okay, I have just asked you, go inside the room and just see the similar sequence. Okay, whatever is having with you, or whatever you are having, just compare them and just give it to me. Okay, what you will be doing, you will just go to the room and you will see how ATGCs are formed. Okay, the same thing blast is doing actually. Okay, in the bank all those informations are available. When you input whatever we did yesterday, we just open the blast window, no, first, then we have then we have your pasted the sequence over there. Yes or no? The nucleotide
Yes, sir.
sequence. Okay, then what this particular blast program will do, it will just search in the bank whether this type of sequences or what this type of nitrogenous bases are present in the bank or not. They will just compare the nitrogenous bases. Okay, and I mentioned this word that this particular blast is not about any pairing. Okay, pairing means A always bind with P or Z always bind with C. That is called as pairing. Here there is not about pairing. Here only about your similarity. And I told you the sequences, nucleotide sequences, that is your DNA is always present in the database as a single strand, not as double strand. Okay, because our DNA is double stranded, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So DNA double strand is not present in your database. Always you can see single strand. Okay. That is why when you will be inputting your sequence, it should be in single strand. Or in the, after the sequencing, no. When you do sequencing, no. For any organism, then the result they will be giving you in two parts. One is your forward strand, one is your reverse strand. In the DNA, two strands are present, no? In
Yes,
DNA, two strands are present, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
double helical structure, no? Two strands are
Yes, sir.
present.
sir.
So they will be
Yes,
giving you
sir.
sequence result in two form. One will be your forward strand, one will be your reverse strand. Okay. So these two strands they will be giving you for one sequence. One sequence of one nucleotide, your nucleotide or one gene, whatever. Okay. So when you compare, they will see similarity. Okay. Okay. That is done now or not? Tell me. One that girl Anamika is there. Anamika is there. Just take it. Is there or not? I don't think so.
No, sir.
If she is not coming
No,
to the
sir.
class, then in the practical she is telling that I am not getting blast. Then what can I do? Tell me. I am not going to repeat it again. Okay. So these particular things are seen on similarity basis. Okay. That is on similarity. Now I will again perform a studies experiment and we will see some of the your functions behind your blast. Okay. So sharing the screen. Okay. Same Nikita will be taking. Fourth number we took. We need first appointment, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, that girl, Anamika, sir, she is having problem to connect to the class, sir. That's why she's not able to attend.
Okay, okay. She can go with the videos of my previous classes. Ask her. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will do the same thing here. What we did yesterday. Okay. We will not change anything over here. Then we will perform this one. Last. At the same time, I will just one I'll be writing again. C. Okay. Okay. So you can we got this result. Okay. Okay. So we got different types of results. I told you that in the database, no, there are lots of. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I told you on yesterday only that in the database there are different types of your sequences. Okay. So these sequences, it may be from any your organism. See, I have taken a sequence from where? From where? Human, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, human. See, they are showing similarity with gorilla. Can you see this one?
Gorilla.
Yes, this one.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So different organisms are there whose nucleotide sequence may have some similarity with us. Okay. Okay. If you go through this
Yes,
one,
sir.
you'll see different types of organisms who are having some similarity with some of the nucleotide sequence present on us. Okay. So all those things they will show you. Okay. All those things they will show you in BLAST, and from there only we can tell about their evolutionary relationship. From gorilla, we are having some evolutionary relationship. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
With monkey, we are having some evolutionary relationship. Okay. So I told
স্যার
you.
আপোনাৰ মাতটো শুনা নাই
এতিয়া now.
স্যার বহুত কমকে আহিছে
Okay, one second. Huh? Is it okay now?
অ স্যার
Okay. Okay. So like there are different type of organisms. Okay, who all are having some similarity with us. Okay, I use the word evolutionary relationship we can create. No, so like there are some options over here. Okay, we will do it later on. We can create some evolutionary tree with the help of your BLAST. Okay, now again going back to the score, what we discussed on yesterday, or how to calculate percentage of identity from BLAST. Okay, now audible, no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how they are comparing, we'll see now. Okay, you just be with me for this one. Okay, how to compare. So this is a sequence. Okay, I'll name this your query, that will be named as Q. Okay, this is a sequence. I will name this your subject or result. Okay, S. Okay, this is the sequence. What you is your sequence? You mentioned that our word, no, our sequence or my sequence, whatever. Okay, that is your query, and this is the sequence from your database. It may be this one, for example, this one is from human. For example, this one is from your gorilla. Okay, getting point? Okay, now the comparison will start. Okay, comparison will start from first position. Okay, number one position. Okay, but sometimes it may not start from number one position. Okay, there are some rules also, but we will see with from number one position. In number one position there is a adenine, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in number one position in subject also, in query also there is adenine, in subject also there is adenine. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so adenine and adenine are matching. I am using one more word. It is not about pairing. This is matching. Okay, they are matched. Adenine is present in first position in query. Adenine is present in subject also in first position. That is why adenine and adenine are matching. Okay, that will give one score. Okay, score or mark. In that one, simple or you can write as mark. Okay, okay. But generally, when there is a match, no, they get some positive score. For example, I am giving 2 marks here. Okay, then there is in second position thymine. Here also it is thymine. Okay, they will get some positive score. For example, they are getting 1. Okay, next guanine is there. Guanine is there. Okay, you know one thing, you know, in case of your nucleotides, guanine and cytosine generally get more score. You know why? You know why or not? Biochemistry students are here. Biochemistry students are here or not? Tell me. Respond. Biochemistry. Probal is here. Probal is here. No. Okay. So, do you know GC percentage is high in a DNA strand or in a RNA strand or whatever? Or not? Tell me. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Why GC percentage is high? I told you, no, you have to know my molecular biology law. GC percentage is high or not? Tell me. In a molecule, DNA molecule. Guanine and cytosines are always known, no, in a DNA molecule. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because it gives stability to the DNA molecule.
Yes, sir.
Because GC, they are having more hydrogen bond. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That is why in case of last also they get more score for presenting G and C. Okay. Here G and G are matching. Okay. That is why, for example, I am giving a score of positive 3. For C also I am giving, C and C are matching. Okay. I am giving a score of positive 3. Once here. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, your nucleotide is your nitrogen basis cytosine. Here it is adenine. Means they are not matching. Yes or no? They are not matching. They are not matching.
Yes, sir.
That is why they will get one minus score. For example, I am giving -2. Okay. Next is your guanine. Here it is cytosine. They are not matching. Yes or no? For guanine, it should be guanine. Then only they will match. For example, I am giving one minus score of 3. Okay, minus score of your 3. So out of your what is the total score over here?
Sir, 1.
1 or
3 plus 4. 4, sir.
4. So here,
Yes, sir.
And here you can see a score of your 4.
Sequence.
Yeah, for that particular your SARS, you can get a
Yes, sir.
your score of 4. Okay. At the same time, out of 1, 2, 6 nucleotides. Okay, there are 6 nucleotides, no?
Yes.
Out of 6 nucleotides, 4 are your 4 are matching.
4 are matching.
2 are not matching.
Yes.
Yes or no? So
Yes,
out
sir.
of 4, 2 out of 6, 4 are matching. So you can calculate percentage of identity, no? Out of 100, how much it will be?
Yes,
So
sir.
no. Out of 6, 4 are matching. Out of 100, how much will be the matching percentage? You can calculate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That will be your percentage of identity or percentage of similarity. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That is your others getting on, not tell me now. Others.
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this is how we calculate percentage of identity. Out of the total nucleotides, how many of them are your showing similarity? That will be counted as, or that will be calculated as percentage of your similarity. Okay, and out of these 2 strands, how they are matching or how they are not matching, this will give you some score. I mentioned 2 score yesterday, no? Your maximum score and your
Total score.
total score.
Total.
Okay, so the maximum score is the score for the whole sequence, and total score is your calculation of this one. Okay, for example, for this one, no, maximum score will be like this. For example, for this one, maximum score will be like this. For adenine, there is positive 2. 2 plus for thymine positive 1. Okay, then next your 3. Okay, next your 3. For again for you have to see the query sequence. Okay, always. Then for C again, for C it is your
Positive 2.
3. No, for C I am asking. Cytosine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Next for your Z again. For Z again it is 3. So tell me the total, that one. 3 plus your 12 plus 3. 15.
15.
Yeah, 15 is the maximum score. Okay, 15 is the maximum score. Maximum score is calculated in the query sequence. Okay, so 15 is the your maximum score, and total score by comparing them, that is your total score. This one is your total score. Total score was 4.
4.
Getting this total score and maximum score, not yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There will not be any
Yes,
problem.
sir.
No, sir.
So this is your
No, sir.
no. Which one? Maximum and total score.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please repeat the total score?
Total score
Sir,
and
maximum.
yes, so both the score.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, both the score I will be mentioning. So this is your query sequence. Okay. Okay. This is your query sequence. For in the query sequence, for every nucleotide there is a particular score. Okay. For adenine there is score. For thymine there is score. For guanine there is score. For cytosine there is score. Okay. It is not about matching now. For a maximum score, it is just go with the query sequence. That is your sequence. Okay. For example, I am giving some score for your query sequence. This is query Q. Okay. This is query sequence. So they are getting some particular score. For A it is getting 2. For T it is getting 1. For Z it is getting 3. For C it is getting 3. Like this. Okay. As a whole, without comparing, they get 1 score. Okay. Without comparing your query with the subject, they get 1 score. Okay, that score is your maximum score. Maximum score is what can you get from a sequence. Okay, and total score when you will be getting when you compare your sequence with the database, then you will be getting total score. Now is it okay? Is it okay now or not? Is it okay now or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
No. I'm not getting the proper answer. It's okay or pakka? You got it or not? Tell me.
Roughly, sir.
Repetition. Repetition you need or what?
Sir, आपको एक बार repeat करो.
Okay. So what I am telling is, for query sequence, query is your sequence. Okay. So before submitting in BLAST, you have the sequence. Okay. And for every nucleotide, there is an individual score. Okay. For every nucleotide, ATGC, for example, in case of DNA, ATGC, all the ATGC, they are having some particular score. Adenine is having particular score of 2, for example, I have given. Thymine is having 1. Like this, some particular scores are there. Okay. And to calculate the maximum score, you don't have to compare it with the another sequence. Okay. The maximum score is the score which is calculated from your query sequence. Okay. In the query sequence, all the nucleotides or nitrogenous bases, they are having some particular score which are already described by the developer in BLAST. Okay, they give this particular mark. Okay, So as a whole, when you get this particular your query sequence, they create one score that is mentioned as maximum score of the sequence. Okay, without comparing it with your database. Okay, that is your maximum score. Remember, like this, maximum score is the score without comparing with your database, and total score is comparing with the database. You have to compare your sequence with the database, then they will create one score that is your total score. Okay, now it is okay or not?
sir.
Yes, sir.
বুজিছানে নাই কোৱা?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
এতিয়া বুজি
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
sir.
So like,
Yes, sir.
we will be getting these two score in BLAST. Okay, what we have done with your maximum score, we have done with your total score, then we have done with your percentage of identity. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then
Yes, sir.
then what we have seen yesterday was gap. No, gap you have studied. No,
Yes, sir.
I told you some
Yes, sir.
mutation things.
Yes,
No?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this gap should be calculated at the time of your BLAST programming. Okay. You have to consider gap also. There may be some insertion or deletion of nucleotides. Okay, that is calculated as gap. And when there is gap, no, again they get some negative score. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When they are not matching, then also they get some negative score. When there is gap, no, at that time also they get some negative mark. Okay, so if gap is more in a DNA molecule, then percentage of identity will be less. Okay, then total score will be less. Okay, getting my point? Okay, gap is easy. Gap means there is no nucleotides. Okay, and if there is no nucleotides, you will get some minus mark or minus score. Okay, so gap will also play a role in giving your percentage of identity or giving your score. Okay, if gap is more, automatically your total score will be less and your percentage of identity will be less. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just stop sharing this one. Okay, so now
Sir, if there is gap, means total score will also be less.
if there is
If there is gap, then
Yes.
total score will also be less, or only the
Yeah.
score, the
automatically if gap is there, total score will be less automatically. Percentage of identity will be less. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the things on BLAST. Now you got some idea on BLAST.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So for you people, today's task will be doing the nucleotide BLAST and send it to me for any organism. You can do for any microorganism also. You will be able to do
Okay, sir. Well,
by the evening.
Yes,
You
sir.
send it. Okay, by the evening you can send it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
okay.